Welcome to our channel. If your Medicare claim was denied and you want to appeal without missing critical deadlines, follow these step-by-step instructions to protect your rights. Step 1. Review your Medicare summary. Notice or explanation of benefits carefully to understand why your claim was denied, and note the appeal deadline, which is typically 120 days from the date of the initial decision. Step 2. Determine the appropriate level of appeal. The first level is called redetermination, which is handled by the Medicare contractor who made the original decision. Step 3. Gather supporting documentation, including medical records, doctor's notes, and any other evidence that supports why the service or item should be covered under Medicare. Step 4. Complete the redetermination request form or write a letter that includes your Medicare number, the specific item or service being appealed, the date of service, and reasons why you believe the denial was incorrect. Step 5. Submit your appeal request within the deadline. You can file online through Medicare.gov, by mail to the address on your denial notice, or by fax using the number provided. Step 6. Include a statement from your healthcare provider explaining the medical necessity of the service or item if applicable. This professional opinion can significantly strengthen your appeal. Step 7. Keep copies of all documents submitted and note the date you filed. If you don't receive a decision within the specified time frame, you may request an escalation. Step 8. If your redetermination is denied, you have the right to continue appealing through subsequent levels, including reconsideration, ALJ hearing, and judicial review. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.